Hello guys, welcome to day 2 of learning Malayalam. Here is your first word. Idu meaning this. Idu meaning this. Here is your second word. Endedanu meaning mine. Endedanu meaning mine. So, how would you say to your brother, "This is mine" in Malayalam? ഇത് എൻ്റേതാണ്. ഇത് എൻ്റേതാണ്. ഇത് എൻ്റേതാണ്.